Tag, you're it. No, literally, you have been tagged, but not in the way you think. I'm Lily Schroeder from The Ohio State University, and to understand what I'm talking about, you need to know a little bit more about epigenetics. You may be sitting there thinking, oh man, I've heard that term before in my bio class, but I really wasn't paying attention. Well, don't fret. According to a paper on epigenetics is the study of changes in gene function that are mitotically and or meiotically heritable and do not entail a change in gene sequence. So essentially, epigenetics is heritable and does not change your DNA. But wait, you might say, I thought only your DNA was heritable. Well, as it turns out, no, and that's what makes epigenetics so cool. Your genome contains all of your genetic information. Your epigenome, on the other hand, contains a large amount of chemical tags that attach to your DNA or proteins called histones. These chemical tags are generally a methyl or an acetyl group, and when you're conceived, most of your epigenome is stripped off, and as you grow, new chemical tags are added. And these chemical tags can be added due to environmental factors like smoking, famine, or overeating. Now that you understand the basics, let's dive into the really cool part. Methylation or acetylation is the addition of a methyl or acetyl group. DNA methylation occurs generally to the nucleic acid cytosine and can prevent or enhance transcription factors which moderate the start of transcription. Additionally, methylation of the DNA can last for a really long time and can affect cellular differentiation, which is a process that determines cell type. Methylation of histones alters the expression of genes as well. When a methyl group is added to histones, the chromatin structure condenses, making it harder to express the gene. Histone acetylation occurs when a negatively charged acetyl group attaches to the positively charged lysines in the histone tails. When the acetyl group is added, the DNA wrapped around the histones loosens, increasing the likelihood of expressing that gene. At this point, you're probably sitting there thinking, yeah, this is all pretty cool, but what am I supposed to take away from it? Well, let me tell you. First off, we already know that poor life decisions like smoking can cause a higher risk for abnormalities like lung cancer. Don't smoke, kids. Additionally, we also know that methylation on DNA can regulate if the maternal or paternal allele for genes get expressed at the beginning of development. But it isn't all bad news. As explained by a study written by Martin Hirst and Marco Amara, new drugs have already been developed that are better for treating tumors due to steps in epigenetics. Now, all of what I've just explained is just the fundamentals of epigenetics. And if you're like me and like reading about those sort of things, there are links below the video that go into further detail about this topic. Go science and go Bucks!